In this video, I'm going to show you how to make waveforms bigger in Pro Tools. Now, there's two easy ways I'm going to show you right now, and the first one's going to be to simply click and drag over here. So if I go below any track, I can click and drag, and just like this, as you can see, the waveforms are now getting bigger. You can do this for every single track like this, and of course, it's going to change it. But then the second way is going to be clicking on this button over here, which is like the arrow down button inside every track. Click on it, and then from here you want to select whatever size you want. So default is going to usually be medium, but then of course you can just go and click on jumbo or maybe even extreme or something like this, and as you can see, it's going to make them bigger. Now you can use your control key on your keyboard, so hold down the control key and then use your scroll wheel, or of course not the control but the alt key is going to work depending on what you use. So the alt key, hold it down, and you can then go ahead and zoom in, and they're going to be made even bigger just like that. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.